Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to adjust ringtone and alert volume on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X for your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the Sounds and Haptics. Then, in the Sounds and Haptics, go to Ringtone and Alert Volume section. As you notice, you will see a level for the loudness of the volume. If you want to increase the loudness of the volume, just drag to the right to increase the volume. And if you want to decrease the volume, just drag it to the left. And that's it. We have successfully adjusted our ringtone and alert volume on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.